Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can check battery health on Android. So on some Android smartphones you will be able to natively check your battery health condition without needing to, resort to some third-party apps. Generally, how you do that is by launching your device's settings, finding and entering the battery category or battery preferences. In Samsung's, it will be hidden under device well-being section or something like that. Anyway, once you've made it to the battery preferences, just look for the battery diagnostics or something like that. In my case, it is actually a separate section on its own, the battery health. And now you can, see if your device provides you with a battery health estimate. Mine does not, as far as I can see, but that's fine. That can be the case with your device as well. So if you won't find the battery health percentage directly on your devices or inside your device's settings, you can always launch Google Play Store. Then here look for the Ampere application, get it downloaded and installed. So let's give it some time to do that. So now the app is both downloaded and installed successfully. We can go ahead and launch it. And here inside it, you'll be able to see your battery health. Mine is good, which means that my battery health is in a decent state and does not require or does not warrant the battery change, not yet at the very least. And as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.